So Obi, now you know. Okay. Try to think you are alone. Okay?
I open it.
I don't want to. If you have mistake before you start, I tell you.
Okay.
Okay now. Kuliram. Dan tag-English ani. So susubukan natin siyang titingnan na siya lang na walang kasama. Five I think is enough. So ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ano iniisip niya. Yes. Yeah. Nalilito siya, nalilito. Remove also the other one. No, the other side. See that pipe? Yes. How you connect? Lira mahutdan mo tag English ani guys. So pangalawang ano na namin tong compressor ang gamit. So sabi ko try niyang i-unload na isipin niya na wala ako. Think you are alone. So yan, hayaan ko siya na siya mag-connect para naluluwa mata ko ah. So hayaan ko siya. Pero i-check natin after niya mag-start, no? Bago siya mag-start, i-check natin. You must take this, always take here, like this. And like that. See this? Always take like this. No, always pull. Pull down. Make sure you tight. And then present of mind. Don't you think
Now I can.
I'm here beside you.
The compressor.
You start compressor?
Open the top.
Did you think if you open the top compressor, all air is going inside?
Oh, okay. If I open this.
Yes,
okay,
as I told you, if you are using compressor, always close.
Oh, so now I can open it.
Yeah, if you start, as I told you, before you start the compressor, you must open this.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it's not easy to open if they have pressure inside the tank. So it's okay.
Yeah. Compressor.
And then start compressor. Okay. Pero check pa natin dito, okay. So, my friend, again,
Yes.
before you start, always check this valve, always open. And here it's closed. Here also, see, it's open. You must close. Only this side going to up is open. Okay, you can start. Guys. And now you can close also the heating. Even the side. Can you please close? Okay. And then how you can start? Engine is not started. Yeah. Update first the Astrata. Start. What time?
15:41.
15:41. Okay. Finish. Okay.
Yes.
Compressor.
Compressor.
It's okay.
Set 1.5 then.
Yes. What he said?
1.5.
1.5 maximum. Karga namin guys. So before you open the valve,
Must be 1.5.
maybe 1.8,
1.8.
1.7 before you open the valve. Okay na. So ayan guys, habang nag-unload kami. So ayan mga isang oras siguro yan. So nandun din yung isang truck. After nito, uwi na kami nagrahe, mag-weekend na. So ganito lang ka-easy yung trabaho natin. Kailangan lang ingatan yung pag-unload natin kasi lalo na compressor ang gamit, baka lumampas sa maximum nila na hinihingi. So yun lang So itong truck ko na to, siya na magdadrive nito. So kuha na tayo ng man, binigyan tayo ng man para sa link. Double trailer na natin, 55 meters. So yun yung dadali natin sa Lunes. So siya na nito Yan 992 sa kanya na yan. So 5 months din kami nagsama niyan. So ayan pinaano ko si Obi, pinapa-prepare ko sa update para sa Astrata, para pag tapos na mag-unload, oras na lang ilalagay. So now I give this K992. So Kobe, the new driver for this truck. Okay, check everything.
Look.
No damage here.
Not that much.
Check
Okay.
here, beside and behind. No damage.
Yes.
Yeah, check everything
Okay.
before I give you.
Okay.
Check. No damage. Tank, no damage.
Yes.
Behind, see it's good.
Yeah,
Red
yeah,
color. I always clean so much.
Yes.
Hopefully you clean also. Here, no damage. But this is previous driver. Yeah, it's check windshield. Check everything, windshield, no damage. And side, no damage. Side mirror, no damage. And go inside.
Okay.
No damage. Also behind. Yes.
Only this one, but,
Yeah, it's old. It's old. Yeah, this one it's old from previous driver when I received this truck. This is old.
okay.
Yeah, check. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and inside, go there. This is your driver. So, dito naman ay sa loob ay wala tayong problema din dito sa loob, guys. Malinis po yan, guys. So, everything, it's okay. And I leave your bag.
Okay.
And dashboard, no warning.
Okay.
Yeah, check. Here, no damage. Even windshield. Yes, no warning also.
Yeah, no warning.
Yes, no warning.
Yeah, no warning.
And ref, it's empty.
Okay.
It's working. It's working. You see, ice,
Yeah, yeah.
ice. Only here, switch.
Okay.
Yeah. And here,
Okay.
nothing. And this is yours.
Okay.
Congrats.
Thank you very much.
And drive safely, hopefully. Always focus your,
Pick up my brother.
yes,
Workplace.
yeah.
Thank
And
you.
God bless you more.
God bless you.
Okay.
Thank you.